Traders and investors are once again focused on tech stocks, including that ever popular AI name, NVIDIA. Michele Schneider, the chief market strategist at MarketGauge, is ready to tell us what she sees happening in the market as the Fed meeting gets underway. What are your thoughts?
Well, my thoughts are that we have been seeing somewhat of a reconciliation in the market itself with the idea that the rates may not go down, and obviously hoping that the rates don't go up either. And so with this kind of normalization that we've been talking about, last week, although we also saw record inflows in terms of the market activity, we also saw the yields spiking, and the 10-year yields spiking to the highest they've been in a while. And so the question is really going to remain now, how long can the market and rates being higher for longer be happy? And of course, we're starting to see inflation pick up based on the numbers that came out last week, and also just in the activity in some of the commodities themselves, particularly oil. So, we can't stay in a perfect world. So the question is, how will we know if something breaks? We may not see it first in the semis, it's possible. But my guess is that we'll see it more in the retail, transportation, and small cap sectors. If they cannot sustain these levels after the Fed speaks, then it's possible that we will see some healthier correction than what we saw for a couple of days the week before.
Knowing that you have reasons to have some angst about the stock market's ability to remain in record territory, what would be your trade of the day?
Well, I'm kind of feeling a little bit more cautious about getting into anything new. I mean, obviously the trends are still amazing in terms of the semis, but you're getting in at lofty levels. So I would be looking at some of the areas that have been beat up. I'm particularly interested in energy in terms of alternative energy that has been beaten to a pulp, particularly some of the electric cars like RIVN and Tesla. Tesla in particular, looking for 150, got down to 160. If it can hold these levels and get through 175, that might be a decent trade going forward.
Those stocks could maybe use some catching up. Thanks so much for being here, Mish.
Thank you so much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.